Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to access the WhatsApp chat settings on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you have the WhatsApp application installed and logged in. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, locate the settings option. It's usually represented by a gear or 3 dots icon. Step 3. Click on the settings option to access the settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, look for the Chats section. Step 5. Click on the Chats section to view and modify the chat settings. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the WhatsApp chat settings on your PC. To recap, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, and select Chats to access the chat settings on your PC. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to see the WhatsApp chat settings on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.